Analysts predict we could get a final answer on the 1973 court case that protected abortion rights for women across the country within days. That decision comes weeks after the leak of a draft opinion from the court pointing to Roe versus Wade being overturned.
Yeah, I spoke with legal analysts on both sides of this issue to find out what you should expect in the groundbreaking decision.
The long-standing ruling.
Dan Eaton is a legal analyst who says the Supreme Court is running out of other decisions that won't make as many waves as what they decide with abortion rights. He expects an announcement on Roe v. Wade sooner rather than later. If the Supreme Court does decide to overturn Roe v. Wade,
it means that you would have a patchwork of different state laws, some of which allow the right to abortion, California, New York, Illinois, and others like Alabama, Mississippi, Texas, that take a very different view.
Laura Fink, a pro-choice legal analyst, agrees.
That means women in these 26 states, in many instances, will die because they will not have access to a medical provider providing abortion in the case of the health of the mother. They will die from back alley abortions, from seeking emergency abortions.
Laura says, as we wait on the Supreme Court's final decision, the possibility that Roe v. Wade is overturned should get people to the polls to vote, because who you vote for when it comes to issues like this matters.
There are things that we can do long term to ensure that this doesn't happen again and that we can potentially win this right back in the future.
For someone to leak that information, it was obviously intentional. It was meant to do harm. And it's like, that's the problem.
Jeremy McGarity is the lead pastor at Skyline Church. He says he's more concerned with the leak of the Supreme Court's decision. He supports overturning Roe v. Wade and says his wife of more than 20 years is here because her mom decided to keep her after surviving rape.
Her 14-year-old mom decided, I'm going to go through with this pregnancy. I'm going to take the shame that comes with school, because she stayed in school, in high school, and she went through school and she had the baby.
In the meantime, if Roe v. Wade is overturned, lawmakers in each state are already gearing up to start fighting again, while abortion providers in states where it's still legal, like California, anticipate receiving patients who travel in. Now, we reached out to Planned Parenthood for comment on this story, and they sent us a statement back that says in part, quote, Planned Parenthood of the Pacific Southwest will never turn patients away in need of care, regardless of where they may be traveling from. We've been around for more than 100 years, and we're not going anywhere. You can read their full statement on our website, CBS8.com. And also, the analysts we talked to today say the Supreme Court's decision could come as soon as tomorrow, Monday, or Wednesday at the earliest. Of course, we will keep you posted.
And if it goes as predicted, it's going to have just a tremendous impact on this country.
Yeah.